Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Liquid Media Group. And now, although it looks like or it is a penny stock looking at the current price, but the way the stock has been structured in the current trend, so if things or if the dime turned against it, it will be for the good. So I'm going to discuss about that. And the simple logic behind this trend will be the way the current prices behave, or the stock market is currently behaving, or probably in a simple word, if somebody don't understand anything, then obviously the volatility. Okay, so if things turns on the upside, it is one of those stock which is currently sitting at a very good risk reward ratio. So we are going to discuss about that, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the all notification bell to get the notification of all my upcoming videos. Now I'll simply uh, tell you about the overall trend. We are looking at a long term trend, and that is a monthly one. So what you are going to do in this? Okay, so this is your trend. You have everything calculated for you. So here you have your trend. What you need to do, just follow it. Nothing else one can do beyond that. And one more thing, just stay inside the trend. Do not just jumping and hopping around, because this is a monthly trend, first of all. Secondly, this is a trend which stays in a particular range for over, as you can see, from 1994. So it means from the last 25 years it has been moving inside a range. So the chances are, now that the stock has moved towards the lower end of the range, the next thing which one could probably see will be a trade on the higher side. And last time it visited in the year 2008, from that level it went up to $24, but that time it has taken around 5 years, okay, for a return of 1700%. Obviously, looking at the current trading moves, 1700% is like a move which a stock can made in a couple of hours within a single trading session. So that is a very high probability, but I'm not going to uh, take that thing. So I will consider that it will take 3 to 5 years if the support level, if the trend holds. If it happens before that, obviously what you need to do, just take your profit and enjoy. You need not to think or look twice that now it has moved this much, now I'll become much more greedy and carry on with my position unless I I lost all of it or most of it. No need to think about all those things. So the simple trend here to understand is, on the upside you have your big target or resistance at $35. On the downside you have your big support at $1.2, or probably you can consider it $1. Okay, here you have. So the higher end of the range restricted to 35 and lower is at $1. Below $1 one need not to carry any position, because the next thing one should expect below 1 is 0. Okay, just don't mess up with your own thinking and mind. Just take things and plan in a simple way. Now your first resistance or support target will be 2.2. Above that you have your next target at 3.9 or $4. Then you have 8.7. Then you have $21, and you have $23. So this will be the final target for you. Let me tell you why. Because there is only one instance, which was 2006, where it actually moved towards $35. So if you want to take that risk, what one can do above 23, that one can keep a strict stop loss. Okay, so that if it falls below 23, obviously uh, the position should be wind up, means completely uh, winded, and one should not carry any position if the stop loss hits once it moves above 23 and you place your stop loss. So you can do that, but if you don't want to take that risk, then consider this level as your final target, and you need not to bother about this extra $10 or $12 on the upside. Otherwise, what will happen, if somebody is starting their position from the current point, it won't mean a much, this $10 or $12, but somebody is going to take position here at 21 or 23. Obviously he or she will look for the higher end of the range, so that's a different thing. But this is all about understanding the trend, and when you can see a superb risk reward ratio where the stock is currently trading at the biggest support level in the overall trend, and the next thing which will probably happen, or the probability of the next trend will be on upside, obviously this is a good deal to make at or to look at. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.